Hello, ako ini si Ma'am Prasi. And ini siya si hello. Ako ngan si Karel Cassandra. And amo ni akong sign name, Casey. Sara amon kamutudloan sang sign language. Andam na ba ka? CEN. I can run very fast. Okay. COULD. Could you say it again? Okay. MAY. They may go tomorrow. Ano gani ang other meaning o lain nga meaning sang may? Can. Okay. So next, MIGHT. Amoy ni ang sign sa might. I might go home tonight. How about shall? Shall or pariha lang siya sa maybe. It is used to express the future. Okay, unsa may example ng mga sentences? Shall we go to the shop? Okay. WILL. Amo ni ang sign niya. Example nga sentence. It will be can tomorrow. SHUOULD. Amo ni ang sign. Example sentence. Okay, you should learn English. WOULD. Amo lang gyapon sila ang iya sign. Would you come again? Okay, that's it. So, amo ato sila ang mga models.